Hello audience, let me show you our 75 kilowatt variable speed type screw air compressor. This one is a two-stage air compressor. You can see the air end which is two-stage, and this is from the Unrivaled brand. This is the motor which is used for this two-stage screw air compressor. Here is our oil tank and here is our oil filter. And here is the controller to control this 75 kilowatt two-stage screw air compressor. Here we used MAM6090 model. This is our centrifugal fan which we use, which is very good, and we do not use exile or normal fan. The centrifugal fan which is controlled from here. Here is the controller from Innovance to control the centrifugal fan. For the variable speed type air compressor, we use the Innovance inverter. This is the place where is the air filter. We can see if we open this, then we see this is the big air filter which is used for this 75 kilowatt two-stage screw air compressor.